Discount Diva here, and I have another dollar haul for you. A very small one, but I wanted to share my purchases and 2 new items that I found this week. I don't know if they're new to you guys, but they're pretty new to me. I've never seen these before, and I haven't seen anyone haul these. So I want to start by showing you the first hot item, which is, guys, a Jade Roller by My Beauty Spot. And this says it improves blood circulation, electricity, and it evens your skin tone, and it reduces puffiness, wrinkles, and it reveals your natural radiance, and tightens, soothes, and minimizes your skin pores. You can apply with a serum, a moisturizer, or a mask, and then you just start rolling. So I picked up 3 of these. I got one for my mom, I got one for myself, and I got one for a friend. So I picked up 3. I should have picked up more, actually. Maybe I'll go back and get some more. I picked up more of these crystal glow-in-the-dark hoodies with glitter. So I picked 3 up in the pink because the last time I only had the orange. So I picked 3 up. I picked up a whoopee cushion because one of my girls had broke hers, so she was upset. I said, let me pick it up. I picked up this sound machine cell phone because my girls like to play, you know, they like to put it in their pocketbooks, they like to pretend they're playing around. So I figured this would be a cute little toy to play with. And these were the hot items for me. The hand sanitizer antibacterial hand gel in the cucumber melon. This smells really nice. I tried it at the store. I love it. It doesn't smell bad at all, and it's a big size. Whew. This is a 3 ounce, and you can hook this up to your pocketbook, your backpack, you know, and it smells really nice. Really, really nice. For $1, you can't beat that, and it's 3 ounces. And then I picked up, of course, anything coconut. I love, love, love. So I picked up the coconut and lime, and this is actually my favorite. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. It smells great. And it's 62% ethyl alcohol. So that was it. This was my small haul. I was very impressed with these Jade Rollers. I mean, this has to be a lot more than $1. You know, especially that it's a jade, you know, jade rock stone. So I figured this would be a good purchase. Alright, and then these, great. Alright guys, thanks for the love, thanks for the feedback, thanks for the likes and the comments and the subscriptions. I'm really, really happy that you guys are subscribing to my channel. Check out my octagon, or is it a hexagon, earrings. I'm digging them. Alright, till next time guys, hope you're enjoying my channel. Discount Diva here. Till next time.